All right, what is the radius here? Well, this is a great trick question. Good job, me, nailed it. So the reason it's a trick question is because there's a sort of obvious trick answer. It feels like, oh, the answer is 6, right? Because 6 squared is 36. The problem is this is not the correct form, right? This is not quite x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. There's something wrong with this. This is where you have two choices. One is Desmos, two is completing the square. So we might look at this and say, oh, I remember completing the square. That was saying that x plus a squared is equal to x squared plus 2ax plus a squared. So I can just look at this and say, oh, divide that by 2, get our a value. So we can see that our x, if we kind of separate out the x's and the y's, this is really sort of like x minus 3 squared. And then this, well, it's the same thing. If we divide by 2, we'll get minus 3. So this is like y minus 3 squared equals 36. The only problem is if it's x minus 3 squared, then it should be plus 9, and we don't have that. So we could do, this is like minus 9, or we could just put it over here. So plus 9. And then here again, this would also have a plus 9, but it doesn't, so we can say that we're sort of subtracting 9 there, or just adding it there. So to actually get this into the correct form, we have to do 36 plus 18, which I think comes out to 54. Yeah. So our answer is actually the square root of 54. Because when we add these together, we get 54, and that means r squared is that number.